Prime Minister Justin Trudeau changed his cabinet, and it surprised many people in Canadian politics. This isn't just a small change. It's a big effort to regain control after some people quit and more people are unhappy. The timing right before the holidays and with a new US president about to start is important. Chrystia Freeland quitting as finance minister is a big deal. She was a steady leader, respected in Canada and around the world. Her leaving, because she disagreed about money matters, shows big problems within the Liberal Party. Trudeau is trying to fix these problems and show everyone the party is united and has a new plan. But there are big challenges. The Canadian economy is struggling with rising prices and the possibility of the US putting taxes on Canadian products under the new President Trump. Trudeau is also in a tough spot politically. People want him to quit, not just other political parties, but some in his own party too. This cabinet change is a risky move to make people trust him again, both in his party and across Canada. The most important appointment is Dominic LeBlanc, an experienced politician and close friend of Trudeau, becoming the new finance minister. LeBlanc is taking on a tough job and needs to act fast to calm the markets and address the concerns about Freeland leaving. Other important changes include Nathaniel Erskine Smith becoming the housing minister, a very important job because it's so hard for people to afford homes right now. Rachel Bendayan is the new Minister of Official Languages and Marie-France Briere is the new Minister of National Revenue. Anita Anand is still the Transport Minister and is also in charge of internal trade, which shows she's becoming more important in the cabinet. Jeanette Petitpas-Taylor is now the President of the Treasury Board, and Darren Fisher is the new Veterans Minister. These new people bring a mix of experience and new ideas, but we don't know yet if this new cabinet can fix the complicated problems Canada is facing. The next few months will be important to see if these new leaders can do what's expected of them. The biggest problem is the economy. Prices are going up in Canada, which means people can't buy as much with their money, and it's hard on families. The Bank of Canada has already raised interest rates a few times to try and slow down rising prices, but they might have to do it again, which will make it more expensive for people and businesses to borrow money. On top of that, things might get tense with the United States about trade under President-elect Trump. Trump talked a lot about protecting American businesses during his campaign, and people are worried he'll put taxes on Canadian products, which would hurt important Canadian industries. The new finance minister, Dominic LeBlanc, will have a tough job. He needs to present a budget in the new year that deals with the concerns about Freeland leaving and shows a clear plan to keep the economy stable and growing. This is really important. If LeBlanc can help the Canadian economy through these tough times, it will help Trudeau stay in his job. But if he makes mistakes, people might lose trust in Trudeau and more people might want him to quit. Trudeau changing his cabinet shows he knows things couldn't stay the same. He needed to make a change, to show he's in charge and listening to Canadians. We don't know yet if this will work. The next few months will be very important. The new cabinet needs to work together quickly and show they can get things done. Everyone will be watching the economy and how Trudeau deals with the new US government. What Canadians think is also important, and right now many people aren't happy with Trudeau. The Liberal Party has a choice. They can support their leader and try to get back the trust of Canadians, or they can fight amongst themselves and risk losing power to the other parties. This cabinet shuffle is a gamble, a big risk that could decide not just Trudeau's future, but the future of Canada too.